What's up, YouTube? I'm coming to you today with an unbox for two items. I have one from Pretty Little Thing and one from Amazon. The first thing is some shoes that I've been waiting months to get. Every time I go on Pretty Little Thing, they're out. So just so happened last week I went on there and they was there and I got them. When I went on there, this is what they come in. There are some unicorns on the bag, real cute. Um, when I went on there, they was on sale for $33, but now I think they're back up to the original price, 55. But I had to get these shoes. I've been wanting them like forever. This is what they come in. This is the box. The box is a little damaged. I don't know if it was from the ship shipper or the UPS or whoever delivered them. They are clear heels. I ordered them in a size 10, but the box says 8. But I did check the size, and they are um, a 10 originally. This is what the inside of the box looks like. I hope y'all could see that. Okay, you in the inside you have like what you ordered, the nude block heels, clear, how much they cost, how to return them if you need to return them. That's what that is. This is what they come in. It's a little baggie, a cloth, I guess, to keep them from getting scratched. And this is the heels. I've been waiting forever. They got the chunky heel to make it easier to walk. Um, this is the inside, what they look like. It's a Pretty Little Thing. Under the bottom, it have the size and PLT for Pretty Little Thing. It also have the size of the shoe. Um, I can't wait to wear these. I think they'll be cute with some jeans, some wide leg jeans. The update is coming. This is